the impact that not fully having those life concepts within our identity, the impact that can have on us as an individual, I think can really resonate with parents. So, if someone fully hasn't grasped the concept, for instance, of cause and effect, right? We see challenges that come with that. Challenges, like behaviors that keep being repeated over and over again, despite it not, resulting in a positive outcome, blaming other people. But things like that we see that come with not having those concepts being fully in someone's identity. When they can make those concepts concrete for themselves, we see such transformational change. We see those repetitive negative behaviors start to fall away.